Hello guys, Rachel here. This is my first video on this channel, and as you clicked on the title on the video, you know that I'm gonna be testing the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I am so excited, but I got the shade Creamy Vanilla. Hopefully it's like focusing. So I'm so excited. I've already moisturized and everything, and I'll have little inserts of the products that I use to prime. But normally on a day-to-day basis, I always use my e.l.f. brush that's literally amazing. So I'm gonna just use that. I know other people use sponges, but I'm just gonna be myself. So I'm gonna take about 2 pumps. Before I do that, make sure you're subscribed below. I keep forgetting to say that. Make sure you're subscribed below, please. But if you don't want to, then you don't have to. But anyways, I'm gonna be taking like 1 pump of the foundation. Start out with that much first. A pump. And here we go, guys. If you know me, I have a foundation addiction. First thing, I think I'm gonna have to blend it fast. I definitely need more. It's supposed to be medium to full coverage. Actually, oh God, guys, it's looking good so far. I just gotta blend it. It is a bit thick, so I have to kind of blend it a bit fast. I wonder if I should like dot it, or let me try dotting it a little bit. It feels like a really good consistency. It doesn't really smell, so that's good if you like are sensitive to fragrance. It doesn't really smell. It has like a little smell, but not really anything. But I recently tried the Wet n Wild foundation, and that foundation to me is not good. This foundation, however, is looking really good so far. But let me know if you guys have any like video ideas. So this is what the foundation looks like. It looks good, guys. Like, it doesn't really look cakey. Like, it looks smooth. And I have my mom's right here. But like, so far, guys, what do you think? This is no foundation. Foundation. So let me do the other side. Okay, guys, so I actually think I'm gonna try it with a sponge just to see how it performs. Ooh, so I like it with a sponge better, or it applies more at least.
Ooh.
What do you think?
Looks smooth.
It does.
Nice.
It looks really nice, guys.
Natural.
You know, I don't know if you guys have tried the Kat Von D foundation. This gives me like the consistency of that. But guys, I like it. What do you guys think? So when looking at it really closely, it has a really soft matte, but it's still like dewy. I have dry skin, by the way. And at first I was worried because it was looking a bit dry. On my pimples, some of them, it looks the teeniest bit dry. But on most of them, it looks amazing. It almost reminds me of Kat Von D, but not as like boom. I did have to use a lot of product though to get it to where it is, but I don't mind it, guys. I was so I was worried, like, because we're trying new foundations. I was worried that like it wouldn't work because like my skin is kind of like weird. I like it, guys. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then I'll show you guys what it looks at the end. And we're back, guys. Look. Just look at how it looks. Let me get closer. It looks so beautiful. I'm literally shook. Guys, I took all the products, blended beautifully on this foundation. Looking at it close up, it does not look cakey. It looks beautiful. I don't know if there's wieners on my forehead, but there's some, I don't know. But like with everything, it looks so buttery. And like, it's like a soft velvet. Like, not too powdery look. Like literally, it looks beautiful, guys. Like I'm really shocked. And if you already noticed, I don't have a lip on. I wanted to show you guys this new lipstick I got. It's called So Shad. It's this beautiful reddish orangish, so I wanted to put it on for you guys. It's stunning. Guys, just look at this lipstick. I literally love it so much. It's so matte too. It's the matte finish. Again, it's called So Chad. Okay, guys. So I got my lipstick. I got my full face. So now we're gonna do a little wear test. I'll probably do like 2 check-ins today, and then right at the very end of the video, I'll tell you guys my thoughts. So far, I am loving it. This might be my holy grail foundation. So stay tuned, guys, for the next check-ins. So guys, I wanted to vlog in like the cosmetic section because I want to show you guys, and I will show you guys. But guys, I wanted to do my check-in. Look what I found. I found this mirror, so it's perfect. Has this like magnification on it. I don't know if you can see, so you can really like goes in deep. So this is looking bomb. My skin still looks buttery. My forehead is wearing off a bit. I don't know if you guys can't really see. But besides my forehead, which always gets like that, my skin looks so good. I'll keep you guys updated with the next one. Look how stocked they are. Like, they're so stocked. Hello guys, this is gonna be the final check-in. So let's see how it hold up. My foundation, I've been playing with my dogs. I had dinner. I've literally put this to the test. So let's see, I'm gonna use the mirror that I have right here. So let me put this side on. You guys can get a better look. So right here, looks like it's worn off, but because I was playing with my dogs, my nose, I've been like touching it, but it doesn't look really like icky. It just looks like worn off. These look identical, but it feels kind of oily, and I get dry, so I don't know what that is. But let's see. At the top, it looks like it's faded right here a little bit, but overall, I'm literally shook. Like, it's such a nice foundation. Let's see if it's transfer resistant. So there is some transfer, but not a lot. Like, actually there kind of is when you rub it. Ew, ew, oh my god, don't look at that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I would say if you have dry skin, pick this foundation up. If you have oily skin, maybe try it, but it might wear off. But I really like this foundation. I can't wait to wear it more. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe again and let me comment what you guys want to see next. Bye, guys. So, guys, this is gonna... Actually, no. It's not gonna wrap up the video.